I'll show you 3 quick ways to squish objects in Blender using Simple Deform, Lattice, and Shape Keys. So each method shows a different way you can squish your model, and by the end you'll know which options works best for your model. Easiest method, which is a Simple Deform. So you want to go to the modifier section, click on modifier, go to deform, go to Simple Deform, and now your object will be affected by the modifier. And so this is non-destructive. And so now we're going to go to stretch, and so this basically just stretches your model like this. I want to go on the y-axis, so the object gets squished like this. If you want a flat one and you're happy with this, then you're good. But definitely check out the other axis, maybe like this way, maybe that way. And so next we can go to the lattice modifier. You can also turn off the modifier by clicking on the screen here, clicking on real time, and this would be the render section as well. But we want to squish like that to show. And so now we can go to lattice modifier, go to add, click on lattice modifier, click lattice deform selection. Because the Blender 5.0 lattice has been improved, so it goes directly to your model. It didn't do that before, but it's always nice. And we want to go down here, since we have the lattice selected, go on data, and let's increase the resolution to around 5 or 6. And basically it's a square that's around the object. And so now the object will be deformed. That's the whole point of the lattice, to deform the object. The lattice modifier is already applied to the object because we selected it. And now if we go to lattice, we go to object mode, we go to edit mode. And now if we click a vertex, which are all the points in the object, now you can just deform it. It makes it really easy to move your object. And if you go to proportional, which is this dot right here, right now you see a circle. It's basically radius and how much area effect will be affected. But we scroll all the way up, now the object will be impacted like that. And now since we want the object to be squished, we can just move it down like that. And that's the easy way to do it. And if you move the object up like that, remember it's a cube. So if you move up like that, everything outside the cube won't be affected. But if we bring it inside, now it will be affected. So it creates a lot of flexibility in your scene. And if you go to right here, if we click on strength, now we can choose how much will be affected. So it's really nice. It creates a lot of flexibility, a lot of choice in your scene. If we click on super deform, now that one's squished and now it's really squished. So it's really helpful in that aspect. And if you guys want to learn about more physics stuff, I made a floating tutorial. I made a boat floating on the water. Next we can work on the shape key modifier, which is just as easy. Go to shape keys. I think I already made one, but if you click on plus, right now the shape keys is like, hey, this is the original model, this is the base of it, and that's how it should be. And if we click on plus, it creates a key 1. So if we go to edit mode, let's say we want to bring this down like that, maybe play the modifier, and now it's all squished. We go out of edit mode into object mode. Now the key has a value, it's a bar here, and so if we bring it down like that, now it'll be like, hey, this is controlling what it looks like. And you can even animate this, so if you wanted to inflate like this. And so we have that going on. We can go to lattice, that one's affected. Go to simple deform, that one's affecting it, and then we bring the lattice up and down. Now it's just being all over the place. But just remember, you don't need to have everything, because I like to keep it simple. So I want the lattice right here, I keep it like that. And we click simple deform. If I want simple deform gone, lattice will be here. Keep simple deform. And same for key and bases, you can check that off, so it's not affected. And since we have all these scenes, since we have all these modifiers here, we can click on the object right there, our little sandcastle right there, and then you do shift click, and you do control L, you'll be able to copy stuff from the last one we selected. So copy modifier, and so now this one is copying the modifier. They will all have the modifier, so it's really nice. These are easy ways to squish the model. And if you guys want to check out my Blender tutorial playlist, I have some other stuff you can check out, as well as my Gumroad where I have free 3D environments. And if you have any comments, just let me know if you have any questions about tutorial or maybe other topics you had in mind. But this will be it for the Squish tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next one.